What I wish I knew instead of eating these 7 foods. Trust me, your body will thank you. First up, liquid sugar, soda and juices. They're vitamin vampires and mess with your insulin. Opt for Zevia Zero Sugar Soda instead. Next, processed cheese. If it's less than 51% cheese, it's not cheese. Choose real cheese and skip the imposters. Protein bars. Many are just candy bars in disguise. Try boiled eggs, cheese, or meat jerky for a protein punch. Seed oil mayo. Soy oil is inflammatory. Go for avocado oil mayo like Chosen Foods or Primal Kitchen. Sweetened yogurt. More sugar than ice cream. Pick plain whole-fat yogurt or kefir from grass-fed animals. Soy protein. It's hard on your gut and liver. Stick to meat, eggs, and fish for protein. Finely modified starches. They spike your blood sugar. Choose natural starches like butternut squash or plantains. Cut these foods out and see the difference. Your health journey just got a whole lot tastier.